everyone, I am Kelly Schaffner. This is Mia Schaffner and Elijah Schaffner. They like to join me when I make these videos. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Today I have a stitch fix to share with you, and I'm so excited about this stitch fix. I mean, I'm excited about every box I get, but Stitch Fix is, oh, I just love my Stitch Fix. And this arrived yesterday, and it just like, it calls my name. Open me, open me, open me. And I always want to wait and film it so I can share it with you. And you know, if you try Stitch Fix, you know what that feeling is like. Let me get into this box. I never peek, so this is a surprise for me. But if you don't know that feeling, if you have not tried Stitch Fix, I will leave everything you need to know in the description box below. There is a referral link that will get you your first styling fee waived. And also, they are running a promotion at this time. If you try Stitch Fix through my link, Stitch Fix will give you $25 credit on any purchase in your first box. Yay! They also extend some credit to me. Ladies, thank you so much for using my link. You have made this clothing very affordable for me. Thank you so much. Anyway, anything you want to know about Stitch Fix in the description box below, and let's open this box up. What my box looks like, and in here I have a return mailer. I have an envelope full of information. This has got a stylist note, style cards, and an invoice. And I have a little bitty bundle. Hey, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please be certain to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so you can get more Stitch Fix unboxings as well as videos about clothing. Every 2 days I release something about clothing. So if you like that type of video, please be certain to subscribe. Hey, will you give this video a thumbs up? It really helps me out. Thank you so much. I'm going to read the stylist card later, so stay tuned for that. Let's look at this. Oh my gosh. Do we see Pom Poms? I'm so happy I see Pom Poms. In my stylist note, I didn't request anything. In fact, I think I left the note the same. Sleeveless summer tops, or sleeveless summer. First up, we have the Daniel Rain Daisy Up button detail top in white. And let's see. Oh, you see those buttons there? Oh, does that button up? Oh, that's weird. Oh, maybe is that the back? No, I think that's just the detail. That's kind of cool though. I mean, it's different looking. So this is a tank, and this is not a cold shoulder. It's just a tank there, and it's got this panel. You know, I'm kind of liking this. I've seen a lot of women model tops that have this long piece of fabric, sometimes a ruffle here. And I think it's pretty attractive. I don't know how attractive it will be on me with a larger bust, but I'm excited to try this one. Next up, we have some bold colors here. This is by Lemon Tart. This is the Bailea Halter Knit Top. Okay, this feels kind of like a tank. It's got some pretty bold colors in it, big stripes, and we have a racer back. So I like the stripes, I like the pattern on this, but I don't know about the cut. This just feels like a t-shirt. Is there any detail? We have some little slits on the side, but other than that, just a pretty plain looking t-shirt. Yeah, we have our pom-poms, our pom-poms. I do have a red pom-pom top that it's almost the same color that I got from my trunk club. So this is, no, it's not a cold shoulder. What I was just talking about, that ruffle or that panel that kind of hangs down, and this is going to be pretty short. I can tell that already. This is going to, oh, I'm showing you the back, but it looks pretty similar all the way around, and it looks to be pretty short, and it's adorable. It looks very similar to the top I received in Trunk Club. The only difference is my Trunk Club is I can actually wear a regular bra with it. So that is a note in my Stitch Fix that I don't want dresses and tops that I have to wear a strapless bra with. And it seems that my new stylist didn't get that note. Next is the Talani Camilla silk blouse in coral, and look at these colors. This is really pretty. It's got that that V-neck. It's kind of an open V there. It does have a button. No, No, it doesn't. I'm lying. No button. It just looks like it. So this is silk, and this is Talani, and they sent me a Talani silk dress that was far too short, but I am telling you, it felt amazing. So I hope this feels just as nice on. This has a little pleating detail on the back, and it's just lovely. I like these colors. This also feels like silk. What do we have? We have a 41 Hawthorne Ava Silk Henley blouse. And this is in a royal blue. And now this is cut very much the same. It's a Henley though, so we do have a few buttons down it. I'm excited to try this on, but this is a color. This is a blouse. I have two blouses, very, very similar. The one that I own has a bit of a cap sleeve, but almost an exact replica. So I don't know if I need this, but isn't it pretty? What do you think? I always wonder if this is a good color for me. I feel like it ages me, to be honest with you, but I'll try everything on and we'll get a look at it. All right, first up we have the Danielle Rain, this little tank, and at first impressions, I really kind of like it. This, I think looks really cute. It kind of had some interest, that diagonal stripe going diagonal, and then the vertical stripes. Yeah, it's I'm enjoying this, and I'm not offended by this. Often the ruffle and extra fabric up top makes me look really top heavy, so I'm not bothered by that. What's going on in the back there? No, that back ruffle thing or the back panel doesn't look so. Does it do it on this side too? Okay, here's the back of it. I don't know. Check out the detail though. I actually tried to see if I could button these, and if this is just purely a design detail, which is, I have never seen it before. I think it's kind of cute. Yeah, I'm liking it. Now here's the problem with this blouse. It is fully lined, which is great. I love that and appreciate that in a tank, but it's a little snug around my hips. This is not my stylist's fault. I am packing on the pounds. So at this point, I think this top is just a little bit too snug around my hips to consider purchasing it. If I sized up, I'm afraid it will be too large up here. So unfortunately, as cute as this is, it's not going to work right now. And I am not putting anything in my closet that does not work. So I'm going to send this back and eat a salad for lunch. Good news, this one fits. I'm so happy. Did I tell you this is by Faith and Zoe? I don't think I told you that, and my apologies. So I love this top. It's my favorite color. It's got pom-poms on it, and if I didn't own something so very similar, I would keep this in a heartbeat. So it's similar to the last blouse I just tried on in that it has this panel hanging down, and again, it doesn't bother me. I don't feel like it's adding a whole lot of volume to my chest, but check it out. This one is more easygoing, free-spirited, the way that it's cut. The other one was very uniform, and I don't know, this is a relaxed crepe-like fabric, and these straps are not adjustable, and I probably would prefer it up just a little bit higher. What's that gonna do? You know what? As much as I like this top, I really like it. It's a lot of fun. I own something, just purchased something weeks ago that is so very similar, so I am not going to be purchasing this. But I have to say, good job to my new stylist, because she sent my favorite color, she sent me pom-poms, and that's a win all the way around. So this is what it looks like. This is the Faith and Zoe pom-pom top. I don't know for sure. I'll let you know in the recap. Next up is this racerback tee by Lemon Tart, and the things I like about it, I like the print. I like these bold colors. I like that it has orange in it because I have lots of orange shoes I could wear with it, but I'm not real crazy about the fit. Just, I'll tell you, racerbacks are for the gym as far as I'm concerned. That's my preference to wear to the gym, but I don't normally wear them anywhere else. There's nothing real attractive about this part of my shoulders, my back, and so this is what the top looks like. It's kind of got a high neckline from, you know what, this top isn't, it's just not wowing me. I was excited when I saw the colors, but there's nothing about it that I like. I don't like wearing a racerback bra. Boy, I have bra issues, don't I? I don't like to change my bra. I like a regular bra. So, again, I think this one's going to be a pass. Let's try the silk blouses. This is the Talani blouse, and I'll tell you what, it feels like I have nothing on. That's how lightweight this top is. Oh, it feels amazing. It's silk. And look at these colors. Isn't it pretty? This neckline is pretty nice, and this is what it looks like in the back. That's the length on it. Yeah. Seems to be a little bit longer in the back, which is kind of nice. And wow, this feels great. That last Talani dress was buku box, so oh, I hope I can afford this. This is really pretty. What do you think about this one? Check it out. Kind of nice, huh? The 41 Hawthorne silk top, and yes, it is 100% silk. I am so excited about this top. This too, it feels amazing on the body, and I am so surprised. I told you I have something very similar, and I do. The one I have is a polyester blend. It is not even comparable to what silk feels like. You know, I used to think that silk was only for the very wealthy and for people that could afford dry cleaning. I started wearing silk when I was at the university, and that was my idea about it. And someone told me you can wash your own silk. It's really easy to care for. And once I found that out, I started wearing it because I live in the desert and the summers are hot, and this is a really breathable fabric that feels amazing on your skin. So I am so excited about this top. I may have to donate the one that I have that is so very similar because there is no comparison. This is far better. This is the neckline. I like that it's not choking me. It's not, you know, obtusely high, and yet it's conservative, and it still has some space to show off a necklace, and it fits me in the arms. So I like that. It's not showing anything. This is what the back looks like. Let me stand back. I really like this. Okay, it's a little bit longer than the last one that I tried on, but the last one was plenty long too. So I like the length on both of these. I think this is another really versatile top. You can be worn as a shell, under a blazer, with a cardigan, under jackets, well into the winter. So I think this is a color that can be worn year-round. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what I think about this. This is probably my favorite thing. I really like the other silk blouse. Wow. Okay, I want 2 silk blouses. What do you think? Let's look at the prices and see if I can afford these blouses. Okay, I'm looking at my stylist notes, and the style card that really stands out to me is this and they say to pair it with this striped skirt. So that's a really interesting combination. Let's look at the style card. I have a new stylist. Her name is Sydney. She says, "Hi Kelly, I hope this fix finds you loving summer so far. I loved getting an opportunity to style you this time around and am sending you some fun pieces for the summer. Since you are on the hunt for sleeveless tops and tees, I am filling your fix with just that. I thought the silk blouses would be great for your summer wardrobe. These pieces will be great with white jeans or a pair of shorts. I am also sending you a fun, bright top that will be perfect for the warm months ahead. Add a distressed pair of jeans and a simple sandal. I hope you are loving trying everything on and mixing and matching these pieces with what you already own. I look forward to your feedback on the fit and style of these pieces. Stylishly yours, Sydney." I will show you too that the Daniel Rain top is paired with a pair of pants that I previously purchased from Stitch Fix. So that's kind of cool. Look at the prices and see if I can afford the things I like. I'm going to go straight to that. Where are we? Talani Camilla silk blouse in coral is $128. You guys, I don't think I like it that much. It is really nice. It's really expensive. If I'm going to drop $128 on an item of clothing, I probably would do that on a pair of shoes or a dress. And of course, I spend more than that on denims, but I think this is a beautiful blouse. I think it's got to go back for that price. Oh, next, let's see. The 41 Hawthorne Ava Silk Henley blouse in blue is $68. And I think I want to buy this because I kind of look at this one as an investment piece. And $68 is, for something this simple, seems a little bit high, but it's a really nice quality. So I think I want this one, $68. Next we have the Lemon Tart Bailey Halter knit top in orange. This is $38, and this just didn't wow me, even at that price tag. That's a good price tag, but I don't need it. The Danielle Rain Daisia button detail top in white is $54. That's a great price for Danielle Rain. Usually you pay more, perhaps because this is a tank, it's a little bit less. It's too small for me. It's just a little bit too snug around my hips. My fault. But I'm not going to buy anything that doesn't fit. I don't need any inspiration clothing. my subscription boxes give me that just to try on. And next we have the Faith and Zoe Vita Palm detail top in orange red, and this is $58. I think that's a great price. I would purchase this if I didn't already own it. I like this. The total of this box is $346. The buy all discount is $86.50. If I bought everything, it would cost me $259.50. So I do have some credit if I want to purchase this blouse. It's going to be really inexpensive, but I'm going to think about it. I have to go to work, so I'll think about it all day while I'm at work. I can't wait to hear your feedback about this fix. I do want to let you know that when I give the total, I never include the stylist fee because I don't pay a stylist fee. I purchased a style pass, which was a $49 charge, and I get all my fixes without a style charge for 1 year, like free fixes for a year. That $49 was applied toward a purchase that I made months and months and months ago. But that style pass is still available. If you enjoy trying Stitch Fix and want to receive fixes all the time like I do, it's probably a great investment. I told a girlfriend about it last week, and she was able to purchase it just by emailing Stitch Fix and letting them know that she was interested in that. So that's not an exclusive offer for YouTubers only. That's available to anyone that wants to try it. So if you're interested, do that. And thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you sharing this Stitch Fix unboxing with me. I am so tongue-tied. Please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I have another video coming out for you in 2 days. It's going to be about clothing, some kind of clothing. Please be on the lookout for that. I don't want you to miss it. Thank you once again. Blessings to you.